Today, Roy, I'm in charge of Huawei Malaysia Cloud Business Development Team. Today, I will bring you my topic is from 1.0 to infinity. Huawei Cloud Collaboration Program, Empower Application Innovation. First of all, warmly welcome you to attend our Huawei Developer Day and 2021. And first of all, let's take a look on the mobile application innovation trend. Here we find through our doing the insight, we found the three key findings. First of all, mobile application growth by verticals grows rapidly. And from here, you will find that the games, business, entertainment will be the top three application verticals, and their growth more than 30% in the last year. And also, we'll find the second one, we find that most of the applications and the developers, they need the AI adoptions. And the last year, and including more than 90% of the decision makers plan to implement AI. And from the data, you'll find that they currently implement more around 50%. And now, in the next 12 months, more than 20% of developers will adopt AIs. And then in the next years, more and more developers will adopt AI. And also, we'll find that the applications they are delivering to the globally. And we'll keep finding that more than 64% of large applications advertise in more than one country. And for example, and more than 23% of the applications delivered in more than 10 countries, and 35% more than 2 to 10 countries. That means the more and more developers, they are not working in one country, they are working and do the advertising and do the businesses in the multiple countries. Okay, so this is the trend. And the second one, we also find that there are some challenges for the application developer to make a success. First of all, we found that the developers need the rapid application building. The phase marketing requires a fast launch of the applications because more and more developers involved in the similar and the same segment. They need the rapid applications and rapid buildings. And also, they need the continuous innovation. You know, usually the applications and the developers will start from the small innovations and in one segment, and they need to run with the time and to involve and to fit the requirements, and improve the innovations, improve the experiences. So device user requirements and continuous application innovations. Third one is, as I mentioned, the AI empowered. Nowadays, in the AI is quite popular, and for the big data and the AIs, and using the face recognitions, EKYCs, and FR recognitions. So AI is very hot, and the challenges. Also, definitely, when all the users want to develop users, and they want to find the user growth. And now they needed some lack of the data-driven user growth methodologies and the solutions, and to find and to get more subscribers and more users. So here is challenges. And through those challenges, how we will find some solutions and some our innovations for the developers. So here we believe in the Asian Pacific regions, we bring the cloud collaborations innovation programs. And through this program, we are empowering application innovation with the end-to-end solutions with the support resources. I believe that from yesterday's summit, we'll find that my colleagues have introduced Huawei mobile services, and they introduced innovation on the Huawei mobile service calls, gaming, pattern search, HMS, advertisement, wallet, blah, blah, thing to enabling like gaming, media, fintechs, and such other vertical internet services and vertical applications. Today, I will bring you through this. I will bring you that we Huawei Cloud. So through Huawei Cloud, we are bringing you our efficient and big data and computings, storages, AIs and containers and AI GPUs and databases and so on. Through these infrastructures and the PaaS service, we can supporting the e-commerce, educations, and healthcare. And this through the mobile side and through the developer side, we are collaborating together to provide you the end-to-end solutions. Yeah, here, just take a look on the solutions. We'll bring you the end-to-end solution, how we bring you the accelerate. And we consider that we'll have 3 layers. First of all, we consider that for the promotion and the marketing through the Huawei HMS and Huawei Cloud Markets. We will have yesterday, I think my colleague has introduced the Huawei App Gallery Connect. This second one, Huawei provided the Huawei Cloud Connect. Actually, this Huawei Cloud Marketplace is the B2B marketplace on Huawei Cloud. Any of the developers, they want to deliver their applications and SaaS softwares to the customers and to the end users through our marketplace to deliver it. And we will provide the advertisement and the promotions and the leveraging together with the Huawei Cloud resources. And also my colleague has, I think that has introduced Huawei HMS advertisement and also Huawei devices. So through this App Gallery Connect and devices with the Huawei Cloud Marketplace as B2B marketplace, so we provided a complete promotion and marketing solutions which can solve the challenges for the subscriber and the user growth and just find the segment of the marketing. The second one, and I think this is the most important one, how Huawei can enabling and supporting the app developer and with the more efficient operations. And Huawei provides offers the Huawei Cloud Global Services. And here we'll provide definitely is the infrastructure service, and also we provide the VODs, MPCs, and definitely the infrastructure CDNs, RTCs, and also as well as the IoT device management and the blockchains, and also live broadcastings and so on. So, and this is the infrastructure. And also we also, as mentioned, AI is the one of the challenges. So we provide on Huawei Cloud, we provide an end-to-end AI development and the deployment platform. We call, through the development, we call Model Arts. This is the pure development and do the trainings and with no codings, just efficient with of the development tools. And also we provided some of the template of the OCRs, and we will provide the NPL authorizations and so and algorithms and so on. And also we provided the data enablement through our big data lake, big data, and also RDS databases, MySQLs and PostgreSQLs, our Huawei Ghost database, and so on. And also we provided the application enablement we call Loma Connect. Through this, we can do the data integrations, data usage, and the data analyzing and the data replications and so on. Okay, so another one is for the app development through the mobile developer toolkit. Here, I will just today I will ignore it because my colleague yesterday already has provided you some introductions through our Huawei mobile service course, and through all these architectures, promotions, marketings, developer and operations, and develop tools through the end full stack architectures we supporting and leveraging the media and the entertainment business segment, IoT applications, fintechs, games, educations, and hundreds, thousands of the segment. So this is our whole architectures of the Huawei cloud program of the solution point of view. Okay, so here I will just bring you a quick introduction of Huawei Cloud Global Infrastructure. As you know, Huawei has invested cloud and cloud technology for more than 10 years. And in the 2017, so just 4 years ago, Huawei published our own brand of Huawei Cloud globally. We started from China marketing in the China northeast, southwest. We deployed hundreds and thousands of the regions and nodes in Huawei. And also from last 4 years ago, we started to go outside and to build our global infrastructure. Till now, we have outside China, overseas, we have built more than 24 regions, and we have built 47 AZs, and we have built more than 2,500 CDN nodes. Take a look at our footprint in the last years. First, we started from Hong Kong and formally launched our data centers AZs in Hong Kong in 2018 and March. And then we started to launch data centers and AZs in Russia and then in the same year, we launched in Thailand and South Africa. And at the beginning of the 2019, we launched our data centers in Singapore and then in Chile. And here also, we launched our data centers in Malaysia actually at the end of last year. So far, we have 2 data centers, 2 AZs in Malaysia. By the end of this year, we'll have the third one. That means we can support the different kinds of the solutions, especially for the fintech, for the data solutions with 3 AZs, especially for like our OBS services, and to achieve the 99 redundancies and this is the current situations. And in the future, we'll build more and more our regions in the different kinds of countries. Next step, we'll have like in Philippines, Indonesia, and its countries. We'll build more and more data centers and also CDN nodes in those countries. This is the current our situation. So we, Huawei company, and fully committed for the Huawei Cloud businesses. So we are investing continuously to the investment of the Huawei Cloud, especially for the infrastructure as well. Okay, so based on this, our infrastructure, we are building the data centers, and the Huawei Cloud as a brand also leads our Huawei Asian Pacific region Huawei Cloud Native 2.0 innovation community. So through this, we will find that Huawei Cloud Native infrastructure to support efficient resource usage, and for example, for the application awareness, cloud containers, cloud container instance, cloud container engines, and the software repository for containers, and the containers guard services, and so on. And also, we are doing the intelligent resource scaling based on our innovative, we call Qingtian architecture, corresponding with our hybrid cloud, public cloud, and edge cloud to support different kinds of the solutions. And through these architectures, Huawei has contributed to many of the industry and to the international community and the international organization like in Kubernetes, KubeEdge, Vacolino, Islay, and on. And based on these architectures, Huawei, and we also continue to do the cloud native application enablers. For example, for the service intelligent, widely deployed the AI and the data AI collaborations through our live streamings, real-time communications, and databases, and blah blah. And also we have the security and the trustable. For example, we have the data increments and the like web applications, situation awareness, and so on. Through this, our infrastructures and and our platform pass levels, and more and more, like cloud native providers, like internet and also in the companies. They now was born on cloud and in cloud and do the innovations in cloud totally. So through this, and Huawei build and trying to build the whole ecosystem to supporting and to facilitating of the whole ecosystem for our cloud, and definitely for our applications and the developers. So we provide them hundreds of the cloud services. Yeah, this is the current our situations. Okay, so just here, I just to give a quick examples of how Huawei make AI easy, AI developer and deployment, and easy and comprehensive for developers and businesses. So let's take a look on the comprehensive. Here in the left side, this is the pure our AI, Huawei AI development platform. This could support different AI developers like APP developers, data scientists, AI scientists, and AI operation and maintenance. And through this data optimization and just to use notebook or PC clients to develop the AI algorithms or AI applications through the data processing, modeling training, model management, and the deployment, and through our devices. This is a pure end-to-end. This of the whole solutions. We provide one we call one-stop development suite. And based on this, and Huawei also not only provide this of the softwares, we also provide our hardwares and chipsets on Huawei Cloud. We call Ascend. And through our Ascend 310 and Ascend 910. This is completely end-to-end solutions with our GPUs and capabilities. And here, take a look of the AI readiness. Here, our tools developed, we call Model Arts. This is no coding, just the trainings, and just using quite a simple step-by-step to upload and label the data, the training of models, because behind all the models and softwares and our powers already are there. So just doing the upload, training, verify, and release the models, and just to support the whole AI development. Actually, this already has been launched on Huawei Cloud. I will just feel free to just visit our Huawei Cloud website and to get more information, even to get more. Later, I will just show you and give more, supporting how our developers can do the trial and also can get more support from our websites. Okay, here, this is our full stack, our big data and data-driven infrastructures, and to support your APP user growth. Definitely from the infrastructure, from the down to top. And from the infrastructure point of view, it's well known that for the ECS, elastic computing services, elastic volume storage, and virtual networks, and so on. And this is for the computing and storage and networking and so on. And also layers, we do the data integration. We support Flumes, we support the Kafkas and the loaders and different kinds of the data integrations. And through the data storage, as I mentioned, just the database, the structured or unstructured data, for example, CORBON data, HBase, ORCs, and text, HDFS, and OBS, different kinds of data set. And then we'll do the data computings, like supporting MapReduce, Sparks, Flink, and superscalars, and so on, and also do the data analyzing. And I just will not repeat. And this, I think, most of our developers is quite more familiar. Basically, Huawei just provide not only the infrastructures, and also will provide the user developing tools, and to let our developers and let our innovators can quickly and acquire the data and the resources from our Huawei Cloud website and the repositories. And this could just supporting, through this, supporting the cluster management, cluster deployment, auto-scaling, version management, and so all kinds of just one condition and one purpose to trying to simplify the development and the capacities and complexes, and just to let our developers more focusing on the innovations and ideas. But for this of the infrastructure and the path, we will do the continuous innovations and to supporting our developers. Okay, so here is the through our Huawei mobile services, through Huawei cloud and infrastructures, and through Huawei PaaS and big data and AIs, how we can support our developers. So today, just to highlight and to issue our dear developers with our programs we call cloud collaboration program. We will have 5 areas to supporting our developers. First of all, for the cloud resources, and we will issue from Huawei Cloud. We'll issue up to $1,000 of the vouchers to our developers, and also discount up to 40% of Huawei Cloud services for the first years. And from 15K to 80K Huawei Cloud Group on for the potential startups and innovators. And also we provide for the training resources for free online training for HC AI certificate. This is the Huawei Cloud certification, and also free training on Huawei HMS core development. And also for third, we'll have the technical supporters, free consultancy on cloud and AI solutions to drive up app user growth, and HMS core development support, and AGC development support. And then I think it's quite interesting, and maybe especially for our local developers, because China marketing is also one of the hot and quite widely marketed one of and quite do the innovation. So we create this Go China support. We can support our ICP license application support, and also we can support our China branch setup support. And this could support and help for our local developers, and quickly can enter into Chinese market and to find the blue ocean market through our developers innovation. And also it's also quite more interesting for the developers, because in any case, go to marketing and acquire users is always the target. So through the market resource, we will offer you join as a guest of Huawei Cloud Webinar series and get promoted. This first one. Second one, opportunity to get App Gallery promotions. Huawei has our App stores distributions, as my colleague yesterday already have addressed. So this can be do the collaboration, and all opportunity to join online, offline activities promotions, including like HDG and Huawei stores, and also for some Huawei, some offline activities. So through this, we'll offer through resources to our cloud collaboration programs. So here we have one QR code. This is our website of to join Huawei Cloud collaboration program. I think feel free to have a look, and if your guys have quite interesting, just register and enjoy all these resources. And if you have any questions, just contact us, and it's quite convenient for our developers online. Okay, through our to Huawei Cloud HMS, Huawei Cloud, and the capabilities and the resource support. And here I will bring you our 2 cases in the last year with our developers. The first one is Singapore, our local live application developers we call Nestia. How Huawei accelerated them for the time to market. So first of all, let me quite quickly introduce our Nestia. Nestia is the Singapore's fast-growing life cycle service platform, aims to create like a Singapore 5-8 city. You know, 5-8 city actually is a China brand. It's quite famous, you know, local life applications. Yeah, and also the Nestia is aimed to create the Singapore 5-8 city. It's now included the features like news informations, lottery, recruitment, transportations, national merchants, and real estate, retail, domestic services, and so on. And they are just for a local life ecosystem, including the gaming, movies, umbrella sharing, and so on. And they are growing so fast. In the last year, they're growing the thousands and thousands of the subscribers. So how through the Huawei cloud collaboration programs, I think that first of all, fast time to market is, let's say that the time to market, especially for the innovations in the APPs, is also one of the challenges and one of the targets in order to acquire the market, acquire the subscribers. So now we, through Huawei cloud collaboration, 5 weeks just to launch from the, I say not from the scratch, from our supporting first. Let's say that through Singapore, our local HMS conference, just 1 week, and just to agree how do the HMS integrations, how to upload to our app galleries, and how to get the supporting marketing resources from Huawei, and it's just to agree. And then just requirement and the gathering and the solution development in the second week. And then just to reach some agreement with the commercial contracting in just 1 week. And then contract signing, customer approved deployment on our app galleries and also on Huawei cloud through our program innovation supporting. And then in the 5th week, just deploy on Huawei cloud and then launched in the last year. I think just around 1 year. It's quite successful. It's the main of the competitor in Singapore marketing. This is the first case. The next case I will show you again. This is the ASEAN Southeast again innovators. We call UCA use cases. How Huawei accelerated their innovations to lower their TCOs. So first of all, let's see the challenges. Definitely the car reseller, actually UCA is a car reseller, online car reseller business. The challenges, they need to store the data, very important data, return data, employee salaries, and such of the data are there. And also they face the operation challenges. They have solo operations, ERPs, SCMs, blah, 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 applications they need to solve because they are growing significantly and rapidly. So this is of the operation challenges and also the sales competitions. They want to attract customers and during the COVID-19. So this is one challenges for them. And also through our communication that we find some the consumers' expectation. They need the online experiences, the personalized recommendations through the big data, and also exciting operations, offering lots of the great operations, and also the premiums and the peace of mind, assurance, and so on. Through this, and then through our cloud, Huawei cloud with AI, and through the DevOps, and also marketing, sales, and R&Ds from the new tech and data sharing, high availabilities, durable through our price performance, AI recognitions through our Singapore 4 data centers in Singapore, and our performance and the data monitoring, let's say AOM and APM, and ultra scalings. And through this, and the target is that to reduce their TCOs to 30%, and also APP release to market and just for DevOps is from 1 week to 1 day. from now on, this is quite a significant improvement. They are quite successful through our cloud collaborations and with our cloud digitalization solutions. And this is the two typical cases. And through these cases, we verified that through our Huawei cloud programs and can really help our developers and to solve their challenges and to acquire customers. And through our cloud collaboration, actually, this is the win-win models. And we hope, and through your innovations, and can join more and more to our cloud collaborations. And Huawei is ready and fully committed to support our developers, and continuous operations and continuous innovations is our life. So thanks a lot, and thanks for your time. I think that's all from my side. Thanks.